Hi everyone, this is Nat from Tech Invasion, and in this video I'm going to show you the safest and easiest way to buy Bitcoin or buy cryptocurrencies in Australia using one of the most trusted, longest running exchanges where you can exchange real money from your bank account for cryptocurrency or Bitcoin, which are kind of both the same thing really. But if that's something that interests you, please watch to the end of this video and I'll show you how you can also get $10 worth of Bitcoin for free. So crypto mania is on us again. I have been in the cryptocurrency space since mid 2017. So I've just got a little bit of a Google Trends here to show you that there was a huge mania. This is the search term by Bitcoin Australia and by Crypto Australia. Huge spike in 2017 when Bitcoin rallied all the way from the low thousands all the way up to 20,000, and then we went into a crypto bear market, a crypto winter, and you can see here, right here in 2021, the end of 2020, we are having a massive spike of interest again. And if I switch this to the past 12 months, you'll see that it's really ramped up. So my number one recommendation for buying crypto with your real money from your bank account is a company that I have been using since the very beginning, and they are called Coinspot. They're based in Sydney, Australia, and they're a very reputable, very well-trusted exchange. They've been a certified member of Blockchain Australia since 2014. Now, Coinspot isn't really a fantastic platform for trading cryptocurrencies because the fees are a little bit higher, but it is a really great place to just purchase your initial cryptocurrency. So this is inside my account here. Now I use Coinspot to get money from my bank account to purchase cryptocurrencies, and then from here it's like a gateway. I transfer the cryptocurrencies to other exchanges where I do my exchanging, or I also take it offline into a cold storage wallet. If you don't know what that means, don't worry too much. This is actually the simplest way for people who are new to cryptocurrency and new to Bitcoin to buy a range of cryptocurrencies. So as far as getting your money into Coinspot, well, first of all, you have to sign up, and there is a little bit of a process getting approved. You have to link a bank account and things like that. But it only took me about 20 minutes one afternoon, and then the next day I was told I was approved and I was ready to go. So when you click here on deposit funds, you have a number of options. Poly is a way that you can instantly get money from your bank account anywhere up to $20,000, and it basically interfaces with your internet banking, and you can see there they've got all the major banks in Australia. This is the deposit method I use because it's free and it's instantaneous. So if I get a really hot tip for some crypto that I want to buy, I've got some money set aside in my bank account, I can do it straight away. Now, I haven't used PayID, but I'm pretty sure this is a very similar way of getting the money in, just through a bank account straight in. You can also use BPay, and there are cash deposit, which is kind of a weird but kind of cool system. You can see here all over Australia, it uses a Blue Shift, which is a cash deposit method. And then it'll show you, like if you're in Adelaide, like I am, we can see so you can organize an amount of money. If you want to put $1,000 or something like that in, let's go down into Adelaide CBD. And so there we go. We can see that there is one here in the Rundle Mall, and it must be through some kind of exchange place where you exchange your money, and that money will end up in your Coinspot account. You can also do a direct deposit, which is they will give you their bank details, and that will take as long as your bank takes to deposit money in. And you can also view your transaction history there. Now, once you've got a balance there in your account, you can simply go to buy and sell up the top here. Now, up the top are the two largest cryptocurrencies by market cap, Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you're new to crypto, these are fantastic ways to get started, but you can see here we have a very large list of other cryptocurrencies, also known as altcoins and tokens. Coinspot have a fantastic range of cryptocurrencies available, and it really is as simple as just clicking buy. It's not a complicated exchange like some other places are. You just hit buy Bitcoin here. It will take you to the next screen. It'll say how much. So if you have an account funds available, you simply type in, I want to buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, and you click buy. Or you can, if you've only got $1,000 to spend, you can split 500 there and purchase that, go back to buy and sell, and then go and get some Ethereum there, $500 worth of that. Now, this is an exchange, so I usually don't keep my cryptocurrencies on exchanges, but if you're brand new, it's fairly safe to keep your money on a trusted exchange like Coinspot. But as you learn more about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, you'll learn that it's a good idea to take your coins into an offline wallet or your own personal wallet where you control the private keys. So if you want to do that, you simply go to your wallets and you can open up the wallet. It'll show you these are all cryptocurrencies that I have owned at one point and have then transferred them out to various other places. So TRX, this is Tron. You can see when you this is your own wallet that holds the cryptocurrency. So this is sort of on their servers, but they're looking after it for you. So you can access your wallet and you can do instant transfers out of your wallet, which is really cool. So if you want to get your cryptocurrency onto a private wallet or onto an exchange, I use an exchange called Binance, which is one of the major crypto exchanges. And I use Binance to actually trade altcoins and trade the price of Bitcoin. And this is more of a complex exchange where if you go to your spot trading under the classic here, you'll see that you're given a bit more of a complex exchange. So you can see here that on Binance, we have a much more complicated cryptocurrency exchange where I can go and put in spot orders. So I can say when Bitcoin is down to this certain price, purchase this much, or you can sell, you can pop stop loss orders in. You can see the order books over here and all of these great charts with the moving averages on a time frame that you choose. You can go all the way down to a 15-minute, even a 5 and a 1 minute chart. So you can see what's happening on that day. I will leave a link to Binance. If you want to sign up, you get a sign up bonus if you use my link. I'll also leave a link to sign up to Coinspot, because if you sign up using my link, you will get $10 worth of Bitcoin for free when you open your account. So the other thing that you need to be aware of is if you want to get your cryptocurrency out of the wallets on Coinspot and take it somewhere else, you simply go from your main screen to this little one here called Wallets. You go and find where your cryptocurrency, you open your Tron wallet. I'm just going to use this as an example. And then let's say I want to send it to Binance. So I've got wallets here on Binance. I'm going to go to my spot wallets. I don't have much on Binance at the moment, but let's see if we've got my Tron wallet here. Let's deposit the cryptocurrency Tron, which has got the ticker TRX. And this will be my address on the Tron blockchain, the TRC20 token. You don't need to really know much about that, but this is essentially the address of my wallet here. And then when I choose to send Tron right here, I select an amount. So I'm going to send 40 Tron. I pop in the payment address right here, which I just copied from there. And then I have two-factor authentication on, so I would then pop that in there and click send. It would then require me to verify that via email, and then usually within less than a minute, Tron is very quick, it's usually within seconds, that will then appear in this wallet as a deposit. So that's the main reason. That's the main reason you'd be using Coinspot, is to purchase and hold. And then if you don't want to hold your cryptocurrency on this exchange, you can go to your wallets and you can transfer that out. You can do the same in reverse. If you have been holding Bitcoin in a private wallet, you can, or any other one, you can open up your wallet. Let's see where my Bitcoin wallet is. Type in BTC. You can open your Bitcoin wallet, and then you can receive Bitcoin. So you have an incoming address here. You copy that and you can send Bitcoin to Coinspot. you can then sell that for Australian dollars and then cash that money out into your bank account using the withdraw Australian dollars right here. Now, the other few things you can do is you can swap one cryptocurrency for another, and it will do it automatically. It'll work out an exchange rate, and Coinspot will integrate their fee into there for you. You can also go to bundles where you can just say, I've got a certain amount of money and I just want to buy the top 3 cryptocurrencies or the top 10 market cap. This is if you don't know much about crypto. I just want to spend $2,000 on the top 10 market cap. You click buy and you sort it out there. Now, they do have some over-the-counter markets, which I won't go into, and they also do have some more standard exchange markets for some of the top cryptocurrencies here, like we saw on Binance, where you can put in spot orders. What do they call it? Something else, a pegged order here. So you can actually say, I want to buy this cryptocurrency when it reaches this certain price. So that is my best recommendation to buy Bitcoin or buy cryptocurrencies in Australia, Coinspot. If you use my link, you'll get $10 worth of Bitcoin for free when you sign up. And you should see a screen like this. If you click the link, I'll leave that in the description and in the pinned comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hey.